AI is supposed to save you time. So why do so many entrepreneurs feel busier than ever? The answer isn't that AI doesn't work. It's that most people are using it the wrong way. In fact, the biggest mistake on this list has nothing to do with choosing the wrong AI tool, and it quietly wastes more time than most people realize. Today, I'll walk you through the 7 biggest AI mistakes entrepreneurs make, how they're hurting your productivity, and the smarter way to use AI instead. Let's start with the mistake almost everyone makes. Mistake number 1. Using one AI for everything. Imagine hiring one employee and expecting them to become your accountant, lawyer, designer, marketing manager, customer support agent, and software developer. You'd never do that. Yet millions of people expect ChatGPT to do exactly that. They research with it, write with it, generate legal advice, analyze markets, even expect it to build complete applications. The problem isn't ChatGPT. The problem is using one tool for every job. Here's the workflow I'd use instead. When I need ideas, brainstorming, or planning, I open ChatGPT. When I need reliable research with sources, I switch to Perplexity. For writing detailed documents, I use Claude. And when it's time to build software, I'd rather use Base 44 than force ChatGPT to become a software company. The smartest AI users don't have one favorite tool. They have the right tool for the right problem. Mistake number 2. Trusting AI without verifying. Here's a dangerous habit. Someone asks AI a question. AI sounds confident. They copy the answer, post it online, send it to a client. Only later do they discover parts of it were completely wrong. Confidence isn't accuracy. Whenever facts, statistics, business data, or market research matter, I verify the information. That's why I prefer using Perplexity for research, because it shows where the information comes from. Remember this. AI should speed up your thinking, not replace your thinking. Mistake number 3. Automating a broken process. A lot of entrepreneurs think automation magically fixes a messy business. It doesn't. Imagine your customer onboarding process already confuses people. Now you automate it. Congratulations! You've just created an automated bad experience. Before using tools like N8N, simplify the workflow first. Remove unnecessary steps. Fix bottlenecks. Then automate what's left. Automation multiplies efficiency. But it also multiplies mistakes. Mistake number 4. Waiting too long to use AI. Many people only start looking for AI after they're overwhelmed. That's like buying an umbrella after you've already been standing in the rain. The best time to build systems is while your workload is still manageable. Use Canva AI to create marketing graphics faster. Use Gamma to build presentations in minutes instead of hours. Use ChatGPT to organize projects before they become overwhelming. Small improvements today prevent big problems tomorrow. Mistake number 5. Following every AI trend. Every week, there's another AI tool everyone claims will change your life. People install it. Try it once. Forget about it. Then repeat the cycle next week. Stop chasing trends. Start solving problems. If your current workflow already works, don't replace it because something new appeared on social media. Technology changes. Good systems last. Mistake number 6. Thinking AI will replace skill. This might be the biggest mistake of them all. AI can write, design, generate code, even create videos. But AI can't replace good judgment. It can't replace experience. It can't replace understanding your customers. The entrepreneurs winning with AI aren't the ones using it to avoid learning. They're using it to become better, faster, and more productive at what they already know. AI is an amplifier, not a shortcut to expertise. Mistake number 7. Collecting tools instead of building systems. I've seen people with 50 AI subscriptions, yet they're still unproductive. Why? Because productivity doesn't come from collecting tools. It comes from building repeatable systems. A simple workflow using ChatGPT, Perplexity, Canva AI, N8N, and Base 44 will outperform dozens of random AI subscriptions you'll barely remember to use. Don't become an AI collector. Become a systems builder. That's where real productivity begins. The goal isn't to use more AI. The goal is to make fewer mistakes with AI. Because the entrepreneurs who succeed over the next few years won't be the people with the most tools. They'll be the people who build the smartest systems. Start by fixing just one mistake from today's video. You'll be surprised how much time it gives you back. And remember, don't collect AI tools. Build AI systems.